Hello. Today we open another box. What's in the box? Alright. So, there should be a USB. No. It should be a wireless camera, security cam for me apartment, for there be some shady bitches around here, and I'm not for having it. And I want to know which lass or lad don't took my goods. So, this is a high resolution with dual band Wi-Fi, D4 indoor security cam, 5G. Yes, scan the QR code, get the app, Then you have the app for your fizz on. Put it in, it's got a two-way speaker, works with Alexa. It moves 360 degrees, motion zone, motion tracking, remote access anytime, clear night visuals, detail matter, two-way audio. 350 to 100 degree pan and tilt. Yeah, so 24/7 recording, motion tracking, all that. 5 megapixel. 5 megapixel. This is a CZ view. CZ view. Support at czview.net. Hassle free. This tape is kind of a hassle. Step. So, this video, over the week or so, I will do little updates. Ow. It hurt me. 1 point. Knockoff. Alright. Over the week, I'll do some updates and review and let you know exactly how well this thing works. I will get everything out here, show you what it all comes with. Empty box. Empty. Alright. So that's it. That'd be it right there. So it's about a fist high. A box of goodies. Ooh. Got a wall mount for its power, a cable for its power, some screw mounts and such for the screws to mount it to a wall and clip it into a base. And that's empty box. And empty bag. Yeesh. And let's empty this bird. Let's empty this thing sack. Alright. So, hardest to get out ever. Got a nice feel though, it's kind of stippled. Got texture. And then, looks like a pretty good long cable. Looks pretty long. Pretty good. Pretty hot. That's at least 1 me tall. Or long, yeah. USB Type-C. It goes right in there. This thing goes right there. Oh man. I'll take a look while we go. So it looks like it's so this goes in the bottom. And then it twists. Look at that. Watch out, Joseph, I got it. And then you can put some screws and stuff in there, hold it in place and all that. It's very nice, you know? It's very nice. The stuff. It's very cool. That's cool. And then this moves around, and this eyeball tins and pans and tilts, all the shits. Alright, sweet. So yeah, that's the unboxing part, and then we'll do some information over the week, testing it out, and let you know. Let's get into what this looks like. See if I can record it and export it out. If so, that's what's next. You know what this is from? Probably a lot of things, but what I'm thinking it's from is a older movie. Robin Williams plays in it, and tights are involved. Just leave it in the comments if you know what I'm saying. Alright, bye-bye. This thing will bark at you as soon as you plug it in, telling you it's waiting to connect. Then you download the app, set up your account, all of that, and yeah, see.
Waiting to connect.
See? There you go.